Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can install the Steam app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Steam app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Steam, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly, so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're here on the official website of Steam, you can now download the app by clicking this download button right here. And then click the Install Steam once again. And after that, your Steam installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for this to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, just click the next button repeatedly, and then just click the install button once you reach this page. And after that, your Steam will now start installing. Just wait for this. And once it's finished, your Steam will now be opened. So for the last, you just have to log in your Steam account here, if you already have it. But if you don't have an account yet, just create one right here. But in my case, I already have an account, so I will just log it in right here. And after logging in your account, it's done. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed your Steam on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it to download the best and popular games you can find. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.